Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gas-powered wood splitters available on the market. Whether you're preparing for winter or need a reliable tool for your wood splitting needs, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. At number 5, we have the Myapem 2025 wall-mounted kindling splitter. This product is ideal for those who prefer a manual solution for splitting smaller logs. Its standout feature is the extended detachable handle, which makes wood splitting easier and less physically demanding. The innovative lever design allows for a 180-degree rotation, providing smooth and safe operation. Plus, the wall-mounted setup is space-saving and ergonomic, protecting your back by eliminating the need to bend down. The build quality is impressive, with high carbon steel construction that ensures durability and resistance to rust. This splitter is lightweight at just 9.93 pounds, making it portable for outdoor activities like camping or barbecues. However, it's worth noting that this splitter is best suited for softwoods and smaller logs, as it struggles with hardwoods. Additionally, the package comes with gloves and mounting hardware, adding convenience to the setup. Overall, this splitter is ideal for anyone looking for an eco-friendly, compact, and easy-to-use solution. However, its limitations with larger logs may not make it the best choice for heavy-duty tasks. Pros include portability, ergonomic design, and a durable build. Cons include limited use cases and a lack of compatibility with harder woods. At number 4, we have the Ironton horizontal electric log splitter. This model offers a solid 5-ton splitting force, powered by a dependable 15-amp, 120-volt motor. One of its standout features is the built-in log cradle, which catches split pieces and reduces the need for bending and stooping, a huge plus for ergonomics. With its short 14-second cylinder cycle time, this splitter efficiently handles smaller logs, making it a good option for residential use. Weighing 123.3 pounds, the Ironton splitter is sturdy and durable, but its weight can make portability a challenge, despite the inclusion of 5.75-inch tires. The design focuses on functionality over aesthetics, but its performance speaks for itself. It's capable of splitting logs quickly and reliably, though it may struggle with larger or harder woods. The electric motor also means minimal maintenance and no need for gasoline, which is great for environmentally conscious users. The Ironton splitter is best suited for homeowners who need a reliable log splitter for light to medium tasks. Pros include dependable performance, ergonomic features, and low maintenance requirements. Cons include limited power compared to higher tonnage models and reduced portability due to its weight. Coming in at number 3 is the Kindling XL. This manual wood splitter is a larger, more robust version of the original Kindling cracker. With a 9-inch inside diameter top ring and 17-inch height, it's designed to handle larger pieces of wood with ease. Like its predecessor, it offers a safe and simple way to split wood without any blades or sharpened edges near your hands, making it one of the safest options on the list. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this splitter is virtually maintenance-free and built to last. Weighing 22 pounds, it's heavier than the standard model, but remains manageable for most users. Its performance excels in creating kindling for fireplaces and campfires, though it's not intended for splitting logs on a large scale. The XL version is a great choice for those who want more versatility than the original model offers. The Kindling XL is perfect for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts who value safety and simplicity. Pros include durable construction, ease of use, and the ability to handle larger logs compared to the original model. Cons include limited scalability for heavy-duty tasks and the need for manual force, which may not suit everyone. At number 2, we have the original Kindling Firewood splitter. This product is a true classic and has garnered a loyal following for its simplicity and safety. With a 6.5-inch inside diameter top ring, it's designed for smaller logs and excels at producing kindling quickly. Its cast iron construction is virtually maintenance-free and built for years of reliable use. Like its XL counterpart, it eliminates the need for sharp blades, making it one of the safest options on the market. Weighing just 10.56 pounds, this splitter is highly portable and easy to handle. It's perfect for camping trips or backyard firewood preparation. However, the smaller design means it's not ideal for larger logs or heavy-duty splitting tasks. Its performance is consistent, and users love its straightforward operation, but it does require manual effort. The Kindling cracker is ideal for anyone looking for a simple, safe, and portable solution for creating kindling. Pros include its lightweight design, safety features, and low maintenance requirements. Cons include limited versatility for larger logs and reliance on manual force. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wen electric log splitter, the clear winner of this countdown. With its 6.5-ton splitting capacity and powerful 15A motor, this splitter provides over 13,000 pounds of log cracking pressure. Unlike manual splitters, this electric model is capable of splitting logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length with minimal effort. The included 34-inch stand allows for ergonomic operation, or you can remove the stand for ground-level use. Weighing 118.7 pounds, this splitter is robust and built for heavy-duty use. Despite its weight, the pull handle and 5.5-inch never-flat wheels make transportation manageable. Its electric power eliminates the need for gasoline and reduces carbon emissions, making it an eco-friendly option. The Wen splitter is also praised for its consistent performance and minimal maintenance requirements. With a price of $337.83, it offers excellent value for those seeking power and convenience. This splitter is perfect for homeowners and professionals who need a reliable, high-capacity splitter for significant workloads. Pros include high splitting capacity, ease of use, and eco-friendly operation. Cons include its heavier weight and reliance on an electrical outlet, which limits portability in remote areas. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it helped you make a decision, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy wood splitting!